Good evening, students. Now I want to explain about the next salt hydrolysis problems. For on this, now I want to explain about the salt of NaX 0.1 molar, weak acid HX, next Ka 10 power minus 5, then degree of hydrolysis, percentage of degree of hydrolysis we have to find out. Salt of NaX, we know number of moles dissociated problem per mole H is equal to KH by C. Next KH, weak acid, means this is a weak acid undergo hydrolysis. It salts with strong base, we know that. KH into Ka is equal to Kw. This we know. Then we know KH they have given, K they have given, H is equal to square root of KH by C. First we have to find out the KH. KH into K is equal to Kw. KH is equal to Kw by K. 10 power minus 14 by 10 power minus 10 power minus 9. Square root of KH is 10 power minus 9. C is 10 power 8 minus 8. This is H is 10 power minus 4. Percentage means into multiply with 100, then we get the percentage of hydrolysis 0.01. This option A is the correct one. Next we know strong acid, strong base, no hydrolysis we know. Only weak one will participate in the hydrolysis. Then weak acid plus strong base. For this hydrolysis H is equal to KH by C. KH, K is equal to KW. Concentration of H plus is equal to KW into Ka by C. Weak base plus strong acid. This we know KH into Kb is equal to Kw. H plus is equal to KWC by opposite of this one. Next we know H is equal weak acid plus weak base is equal to H into square root of KH. A KH into multiply with K and Kb, then we get Kw. Concentration of H plus we multiply these two. Kw one only, Ka by Cc get cancelled. Kw is equal to Ka by Kb. This is the concentration of H plus for weak acid and weak base. For this weak acid and weak base, we know hydrolysis of both either weak acid and weak base. Here take ammonium cyanide. Here ammonium is weak and cyanide also weak acid and weak base. They will hydrolysis, they will form. For this KH we write is this one. KH is equal to K into Kb into Kw. KH is equal to H square. This is 1 minus of H is very very small compared to 1. Then is H square, H is equal to square root of KH. We know this one. After that, for ammonium hydroxide, we derived this one. OH minus HCl, H plus is equal to Ka. We substitute this, then you get the H plus is equal to Kw into Ka by Kb. This is the equation for 4 salts. We can derive the